we are walking into the main area of the Lincoln Tomb. And here is the cenotaph of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is buried right behind the cenotaph, about 6 feet from that wall behind the cenotaph, and his head is facing west. So the cenotaph is ahead of where Lincoln is, and Lincoln is 10 feet under in concrete. So it's an impressive memorial. He's right behind the cenotaph. So it's sort of like a gravestone, but a tombstone, actually, what it is. Over here are his wife, Mary Todd Lincoln, the First Lady. She's entombed here. And her sons are over here. Eddie Baker, who died in Springfield when he was 4 years old. And Willie Wallace Lincoln, who died in the White House of typhoid fever, and his death devastated Abraham Lincoln and Mary Lincoln deeply. And last but not least, the last of the surviving sons who made it to 1871, Thomas Tad Lincoln. And Lincoln nicknamed him Tad because he thought, as a young kid, he looked like a tadpole. His head was disproportionate to his body. And Robert Todd Lincoln.
Robert Todd Lincoln was here. Well, he's actually buried in Arlington National Cemetery. But this is a memorial to Robert Todd Lincoln, who lived up until 1926. And he was present in Washington when his father was killed, and he was present where President James Garfield was assassinated, and he was present when President McKinley was assassinated in Buffalo, New York. So this is the whole family.